This is the block before assembly. I'll have some tape on it. I'll be back with parts in it. Now when assembling, you want to make sure you put a good coat of oil inside the cylinder. And here's my billet rod. This is the piston I'm using. Rings. When you go to assemble it, make sure put a little grease on this end, oil right there on the rod journal, and grease the seal and the bearings. And I'm going to assemble the rod and piston, and I'll be back. Here's the piston assembled. Now I'm going to install it. I got the rod in the piston, and it's torqued down. Here's my top dead center. Now I'm going to gauge that. That is 27 thousandths in the hole. I am going to be reusing the gasket I took off of it, which is this is the original gasket I took off. It's a 10 thousandths gasket, so I'll put it at 37 thousandths before the head. Got the head assembled on it. And I'll be back. I now got the cam clearance. Time to start finalizing the install. Side covers on. Thanks for watching. I'll have to finish this video a little bit later. The battery's about to die. So, thank you. And more to come.